Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Step into the realm of modern elegance with our showcase of contemporary designs that redefine the concept of seating in the curated collection from seamlessly matched function, presenting innovative chairs that are not just functional but also aesthetic masterpiece from sleek line into conventional shapes. Each chair tells a story of design and sophistication and ergonomic comfort. The latest contemporary chair designs feature a diverse range of materials, including metal, wood, and cutting-edge polymers, pushing the boundaries of both durability and visual appeal. Embracing minimalism, these chairs often boast clean solidus and neutral color palettes, allowing them to effortlessly integrate into various interior styles. Explore the incorporation of sustainable materials, reflecting a commitment to both modern design and environmental consciousness. These chairs are not more furniture, they are artistic expressions that enhance the ambience of a living space. Whether you prefer the simplicity of Scandinavian design or the boldness of avant-garde creation, our collection encompasses a spectrum of styles. Dive in the world of contemporary chair designs, where each piece invite you to experience the perfect marriage of style and comfort into the modern living space. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe or like Interior Designs channel.